Imagine waking up, and your world already knows you. Your news, your health stats, even your commute, all tailored, personalized, and predictive, powered by something you can't see. Artificial intelligence. The future? It's already talking to you. But what if I told you, this is just the beginning? AI isn't just answering questions anymore. It's learning, predicting, even creating. From custom healthcare, to AI-powered lawyers, to designing the cities of tomorrow. Information is no longer something we search for. It's something AI delivers before we even ask. But here's the truth no one wants to admit. AI is only as good, or as dangerous, as the data it's trained on. The future of AI information will be a battle between trust and trickery, clarity and confusion. So what does that mean for us? We can't just sit back and let AI decide what's real and what's not. We need to be informed. We need to be aware. Because you can either control information or be controlled by it. This is just the start of the story. Hit subscribe to AI Tech with Saran for more curious, bold, and mind-opening videos. The future is here. Let's explore it together.